Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this review, I'm going to walk you through a very straight and honest review about this powerful AI website called Butternut AI. Sounds fun, right? It makes website creation simple. You answer the questions. It builds your site. It focuses on your clean design. It's good for anyone who wants a quick, nice looking site. No frills, no stress, just a website. And here it takes. Butternut AI is easy for beginners. It's fast and cheap. It lowers points for basic features, but you can save your time and effort using this AI website. And here they keep top benefit about this platform. It's with a quick website creation with AI, simple and easy to use interface with it generate essential content and image. Also affordable for small project and for good for a beginners. It's good for a beginner. And talking about the price range, it offer back. They have a starter plan, they have a pro plan, and the cons and pro. It's very easy for beginners, fast website creation, simple interface, and affordable pricing. I'm also talking about the downside, which is very limited design option, basic features only. AI content is very generic, and that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI website.